I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me tell you about my favorite must-have cell phone accessory. It is this awesome PopSocket grip. I love this specifically because it can be attached and detached from my phone whenever I want it to be. It does not have to be permanently fixed to my phone. I also love that it is MagSafe-compatible, so it has a nice, strong grip when I do attach it to my phone. This is perfect for me because a lot of times when I'm using my phone, my hand may get tired, but if I utilize this and use the actual grip device on here, it gives me a little extra stability to use my phone. I also love that when I have this on my phone, the PopSocket itself goes flat, so it doesn't add too much bulk to the phone. This is also kind of fun to use when I just need to fidget a little bit. I find myself popping and unpopping the PopSocket portion, and I just like the little click that it makes and when you push it up and down. So if you want to make your phone a little bit more comfortable to grip, but you also want to take it off sometimes too, then definitely check out this MagSafe PopSocket grip. And that's just my point of view.